Main character syndrome. When life revolves too much around you. Have you ever talked to someone who, no matter what the topic is, somehow always turns the conversation back to themselves? That person might have something called main character syndrome, a mindset where someone believes they're the center of the universe, like the star of a movie, and everyone else is just background characters. According to Dr. Susan Albers, a clinical psychologist at the Cleveland Clinic, main character syndrome isn't a mental disorder. It's more about how someone sees life, as if they're the main character in a story. And honestly, there's a positive side to that. It can help you build confidence, find direction, and make bold choices. But when it goes too far, it can turn into ego, a lack of empathy, and the inability to see that other people's stories matter too. One big reason this mindset is everywhere now is social media. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube make us see life as entertainment. Every post feels like a movie scene, and we're the lead role. The problem is, so many people get caught up chasing likes and validation from their audience that they forget to actually live. Life becomes about how interesting we look on screen, not how happy we are in real life. But main character syndrome doesn't just come from social media. It can also grow from low self-esteem, loneliness, a need for attention or approval, pop culture influences, or even as a way to protect ourselves from feeling insecure. And if you've ever dealt with someone like that, you know how emotionally draining it can be. You give your time, your empathy, your energy, but they rarely give anything back. Over time, you start to feel anxious, frustrated, and eventually emotionally tired. What psychologists call compassion fatigue. But here's the thing. Not everything about being the main character is bad. There's also something called main character energy. It's not about seeking attention, it's about being present, taking charge of your choices, appreciating every moment, becoming the best version of yourself, not for others, but for you. So, be the main character of your story. Just remember, every great story needs supporting characters too, because life isn't just about you. It's about how we grow, connect, and share our stories together.